Are you tired of your monitor blinding you the second the sun goes down? You can actually make Windows 10 and 11 automatically adjust your screen's warmth exactly at sunset. Here is how to set it and forget it. Step 1. Press Windows +I on your keyboard to jump straight into your settings. Once you're in, head over to System and then click on Display. This is where all your monitor's secret features live. Look for Night Light. Don't just turn it on yet. Click on Night Light settings to customize the timing. Switch the Schedule Night Light toggle to On. This opens up your timing options. Now, select Sunset to Sunrise. Windows will use your location to pinpoint the exact moment the sun dips below the horizon in your area and automatically shift your screen to warmer colors. That's it. Better sleep and less eye strain. Fully automated. If the sunset option is grayed out, just make sure your location services are turned on in your privacy settings. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. See you in the next video.